Imagine if the wisdom of ancient texts was rewritten today, infused with everything we've learned from science. What if the stories that shaped civilizations were retold, not just with reverence for the past, but with the clarity and wonder of modern discovery? What would a modern book of wisdom say? Not to replace faith, but to express our deepest questions in the language of the cosmos. It would be a tapestry woven from both ancient insight and the revelations of physics, astronomy, and biology. The universe has always inspired awe. Ancient storytellers saw gods in the stars. Today we see galaxies being born. Our sense of wonder is the same, but our understanding has grown, reaching farther than our ancestors ever dreamed. Our story is written in starlight and space-time, not in 6 days, but across 13.8 billion years. Every atom in our bodies was forged in the heart of a star, connecting us to the cosmos in ways both poetic and real. The quantum Bible would begin with the Big Bang, not as a divine act, but as the unfolding of natural laws. It would tell the story of energy and matter, of chaos giving way to order, and of the universe awakening to itself. Morality would be rooted in biology, evolution, and cooperation, not ancient codes. Our sense of right and wrong would be seen as an emergent property of life itself, shaped by millions of years of survival and empathy. Spirituality would be found in the wonder of scientific discovery. Each breakthrough, each new question would be a step on a sacred journey to understand the universe and our place within it. Curiosity would be sacred, our drive to understand where we come from and where we're going. The search for knowledge would be celebrated as a fundamental part of what it means to be human. To know the universe is to connect with it deeply. Awe at a Hubble image is a spiritual experience. In those moments, we glimpse the infinite and feel both small and profoundly connected. This book would celebrate that feeling, inviting us to explore creation, morality, and miracles through quantum mechanics and cosmology. It would encourage us to see the extraordinary in the ordinary and to marvel at the universe's unfolding story. It's not dismissal, but translation, a bridge between timeless questions and modern understanding. Science and spirituality hand in hand, guiding us toward deeper meaning. The universe speaks in mathematics and physics. Its language is written in the patterns of nature, the laws that govern everything from galaxies to grains of sand. Our task is to learn to listen, to open our minds and hearts to the messages written in the stars, and to the wisdom that emerges from curiosity and wonder. Let's open this new book together and begin a journey that unites the ancient and the modern, the spiritual and the scientific, in a story as vast as the universe itself. The Quantum Bible's first chapter isn't Genesis, it's Cosmos, beginning with the Singularity. This is the ultimate origin story, not just of our world, but of everything that ever was or will be. Imagine a moment when all existence was compressed into a single, infinitesimal point. All matter, energy, space, and time compressed into a point of infinite density, the Big Bang. In a fraction of a second, the universe burst forth, expanding faster than the speed of light. Time itself began here. No before, just the birth of everything. The cosmic clock started ticking, and the arrow of time began its journey. The universe expanded rapidly, in a flash called inflation, stretching space to unimaginable proportions in the blink of an eye. And the fundamental forces split apart: gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces, each shaping the cosmos in their own way. For hundreds of thousands of years, the universe was a hot, opaque plasma, light-trapped, unable to travel. Then, as the universe cooled, atoms formed, the fog cleared, and light was set free. The cosmic microwave background, our universe's baby picture, a faint afterglow still echoing across the cosmos. Gravity sculpted clouds of gas into the first stars, giant, short-lived, and explosive. These stars lit up the darkness, forging new elements in their fiery cores. Supernovae forged the elements of life: carbon, oxygen, iron, scattering them across space, seeding future generations of stars and planets. We are made of stardust, literally. Every atom in our bodies was born in the heart of a star. Creation wasn't a week-long event, but a 13.8 billion-year epic unfolding over eons, with each chapter written in the stars. The story continues as stars and galaxies form and the universe evolves, growing ever more complex and beautiful. Our origins are written in the light and matter all around us, waiting to be discovered and understood. The cosmos is our shared history, connecting every person, planet, and star in a single grand narrative. We are the universe, becoming aware of itself, conscious stardust, pondering its own origins. And its story is still being written, with each new discovery adding another line to the cosmic epic. In the Quantum Bible, commandments are encoded in DNA, not stone. Our rules for living come from evolution, genetics, and game theory. The first commandment: understand your genetic heritage. Our DNA connects us as one human family. Morality is a survival strategy shaped by natural selection. Empathy and cooperation are evolutionary advantages. Game theory shows that reciprocal altruism builds civilization. Our biology gives us both selfish and selfless impulses. We must choose which to nurture. Ethics become a framework for reasoning, not blind obedience. Commandments evolve as knowledge grows, guided by reason and compassion. The ultimate imperative: seek truth and use it for the collective good. Morality is rooted in our interconnectedness, not fear. What are miracles? In the Quantum Bible, they're not violations of nature, but glimpses of its deepest truths. Turning water into wine? Chemistry rearranges atoms every day. Quantum mechanics allows particles to exist in multiple places at once. Superposition and entanglement are stranger than fiction. Ancient miracles become metaphors for the wonders of physics. Healing stories find new meaning in gene editing and the body's complexity. The real miracle is the intricate system that allows healing at all. Wonder isn't in breaking the rules, but in the richness of the rules themselves. Everyday phenomena, photosynthesis, quantum tunneling, are the true miracles. The Quantum Bible teaches us to see the miraculous in reality itself. Ancient laws often hid practical logic, shaped by survival needs. Levirate marriage ensured widows' survival and family stability, a social technology for its time. Today we use social safety nets and genetics to address these needs. A Quantum Bible would update the principle, support the bereaved, but with autonomy and respect. Dietary laws, like banning pork or shellfish, were early public health measures. Now, we understand microbiology and food safety. Modern commandments would focus on ensuring food is safe, not just forbidden. Science empowers us to make informed choices, upgrading ancient rules with understanding. It's about knowing the why, not just following the what. How would a Quantum Bible society make decisions? Not with oracles, but with computation. Modeling, simulation, and quantum computing would guide ethical choices. Scientific commandments become optimal strategies, tested in virtual societies. We'd simulate resource distribution, social rules, and outcomes, seeking what maximizes well-being. Quantum computers could explore countless futures, finding the best paths for humanity. Commandments would be transparent, adaptable, and based on evidence. If new data emerges, we update the model and the rules. Authority comes from effectiveness, not tradition. Ethics become a living system, refined by reason and shared commitment. How does this cosmic perspective shape daily life? The Quantum Bible is a guide to living meaningfully and mindfully. Recycling becomes an act of cosmic citizenship, part of the cycle of matter and energy. Planting a garden is engaging with biology and photosynthesis, a communion with the universe. Honesty and curiosity build resilient social networks, passing on the sacred tradition of inquiry. Every action contributes to the emergent phenomenon of society. We are active participants, not passive observers. Our brains are the universe becoming aware of itself. Living scientifically means living with intention, curiosity, and wonder. In a quantum Bible, we're not masters of Earth, but stewards. Our duty is to protect the web of life. Earth is the only known oasis for life in the cosmos. Damaging it is an act against life's grand experiment. The commandment: preserve biodiversity. Every species matters. Destroying life is burning a library of genetic wisdom. Climate change and pollution are consequences of ignoring physical laws. Stewardship is a spiritual value, grounded in science. As we explore space, we carry this responsibility with us. Be thoughtful ambassadors of life to the cosmos. Our mission: honor our origins, protect our future. What does the Quantum Bible reveal? Is it possible that the answers we seek lie at the intersection of belief and evidence, where ancient wisdom meets modern discovery? The gap between science and faith is an illusion, two languages describing the same reality from different perspectives. Both seek connection and meaning in the universe, searching for purpose in the vastness that surrounds us. Science offers a creation story more epic, unfolding across billions of years in countless galaxies, a moral code more adaptable, shaped by empathy, reason, and the lessons of our shared experience, and miracles embedded in reality, wonders revealed by curiosity and exploration. The sacred is found in universal laws, not ancient myths, in the patterns that govern stars and life alike. Faith becomes trust in discovery, in the unfolding of knowledge, reason, and empathy, qualities that unite us in our search for truth. Science unites us. Gravity and DNA connect all humanity, reminding us of our shared origins and destiny. Shared truths transcend tribal divisions, fostering cooperation, stewardship, and hope for a better world. Look up at the night sky with scientific eyes, see a dynamic, evolving cosmos full of possibility and wonder. We are the universe made conscious, reading its story and shaping its future. Our purpose: understand our place, act with wisdom and compassion, and leave a legacy of understanding. This is the harmony of faith and reason, a path for humanity to thrive, united in curiosity and care.